So student, as I am discussing you about the string, another program I want to show you that how you can do the execution of the particular string. See here. Now what the changes I have done, you see very minutely on it. Okay, the changes that I have implemented, that in this particular program I have introduced some new thing here, one asterisk mark. So how the asterisk mark is been executed, the asterisk mark, you say, see here, the asterisk mark is executed in this way. That means after each of the letter, one asterisk mark is being placed. So how, as you have done the for loop in a range, length you have taken s1 I have written here computed. This is the length, how many variables are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and one place it will take extra, that is a 9, so that it has been executed. So that is the length, total length it has been taken, and based on the length, based on the range what it has got, based on that particular range what you will going to find, the value will be executed. Now as the value is executing based on this range, understand it very clearly, as the value is been executing on this range, what you find is that I am trying to impose some new thing here. What is the new thing? One asterisk mark I have imposed here. Okay, so this asterisk marks will going to come after each of the things. You can add more also, if you want you can add more also. Suppose within a single inverted comma, one this side. Okay, then place a comma. Why? Because it will come one at a place and it will come in this particular manner as we are doing. Okay, now let us execute. You see, asterisk, then at the rate of, then O, then asterisk at the rate of M, asterisk at the rate of P, asterisk at the rate of U. So that means what? How many variables, special characters or variables you implement here, or any type of implementation you want to insert. Okay, that you can obviously you can insert it and you can implement that thing. Okay, now this is the thing, this is the implementation, what is another phase or another part of implementation based on this particular scenario, using a for loop to execute a pattern. Okay, so execute a pattern. I have done a pattern, many patterns program I have shown to you, I have given to you, and in those pattern program you have seen how those patterns are been working. So here is also, it can be said as one particular series or one particular pattern here. So this is the particular pattern what you are having, what you are going to have. You can execute the program, you can execute the form as per your requirement and as per your wish that you want to implement in this scenario here. So what I have implemented in the first case, I have implemented only the asterisk marks. In the second case, with the asterisk I have added one at the rate of sign. So this is the length, you have to understand this particular area. This is the length it is been taking. So length from where? Length from the letters that I have given. If you want, you can change this also. Okay, you can make it much more bigger. It will go outside. That you know. Okay, so it will go outside. It will take a much more. If you want to print in the other face, that also you can do it. Other face means either in the horizontal way, either in the vertical form, any of the format that you can print, either horizontal, either vertical. Vertically you can place it, horizontally you can place it, any of the format you can place them and you can work on it. So any of the form that you are placing and working on it, how you can describe them, this is why I am showing you, because you require a series, you require to transverse, those are the new things that are there in your chapter. So as you are required the transverse series, there we will going to use the numbers as well as the strings also. Okay, it is not, the string is totally excluded from the chapter, though it has a string chapter is not there, the elaboration part, more work on the string is not there, but those the basic thing, basic implementations are there. So this is the thing what you can find it, that I am doing the elaboration of this particular word, particular string in a certain part or certain scenario. So in this particular scenario, that means in this particular application, you have to keep in mind that how you can execute them and how you can work with them. So your execution and work with this particular pattern of string is implemented there, because there you have a list.